Do you love being a photographer, but you struggle with your business? Because we all know that running a successful photography business is a lot more than just taking pretty photos. In this masterclass, we're going to look at the 8 core areas within your business. We're going to give you hundreds of hints and tips over the masterclass on business and marketing to help you create the business that you've always wanted. It's going to attract more clients, convert more leads. It's going to increase the sales, which will therefore make you more money. We're going to look at your business holistically and break it down into different categories and itemized steps. It's going to make it easy to understand, and it's going to give you a really awesome game plan. Hey, it's Mark Rosseto here, coming all the way from Brisbane, Australia. I'm a master photographer with the AIPP and photography business coach. It's going to be super cool. I can't wait to see you at Capturing Wow Global Expo. See you there. Bye-bye.